Hi there, welcome back to Alexander the Dev, where we simplify coding and tech for beginners. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install PostgreSQL and PgAdmin step by step. It will only take a few minutes. So let's dive in, right? The first thing that we need to do is to navigate to postgresql.org/download. Scroll it down and find the operation system that we're using. Right now I'm using Windows, but it's going to be the same for macOS. Click on the Windows icon and then click on the download the installer. Choose the latest one for your operation system. In my case, it's Windows. Then click Save. Wait for the download to complete. Open the folder where you downloaded the installer and double click it. You are going to see a wizard similar to this one. Click Next. You can choose the default directory where you are going to install your application. You can change if you want. For example, I will change that to D. Next, you can leave all the components checked as they are already, and you can see that the second one is a PgAdmin. Click Next. Next. Now we need to choose a password for our super user. I will choose a simple one in my case. 1234 is going to do the job. Click Next. Leave the port as is, so 5432. Click Next. The locale is going to be the default one based on your Windows settings. Click Next. 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 And then wait for the installer to complete. Cool. Now that the installer is completed, uncheck the stack builder and click Finish. Next, we have to open PgAdmin from our applications. Okay, PgAdmin is opening. You have to wait for a few seconds. And it's ready. So on the left side, you can see the servers. You can open that. And you can see that we have a server, which is PostgreSQL 17. It's going to ask you to enter the password. You have to input the password we created during the installation. For me, it was 1234. And click on Save Password. And then OK. We are already logged in the DB server. You can open the database on the left, and you can see that we already have a Postgres database. By clicking on the databases, right click, you can choose Create a database, and you can create a new one. And we can name it like TestDB. Save. Cool, we have our TestDB ready, and you can see on the left side all the options that we have. One of those is the option of schemas. Open the schemas, you will see that we have the public one, but we don't have any table yet, right? By doing the right click on the schemas, you can do Create Schema, or you can go to the public and do a right click and do Create a table. Table. Test. Table. Let's add one column. Let's name it ID, which is an int or a big int. It doesn't really matter right now. And it's the primary key. Click on Save. Very nice. You can navigate in the public schema and open the tables. And here is our table. That's it. One very important thing that we have to do right now, in case you like this video so far, is to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Alexander the Dev, and stay tuned for future videos. Other than that, we are ready. We have already installed PostgreSQL and PgAdmin on our machine. We have already created our first database, which is the TestDB. We created also our table, which is the test table. And you are all set to start your journey to learn or work with SQL. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I publish new ones. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye!